You'll see right here, it's pretty much flush. Same thing here. And then the ears have got just a little spacing on this one. A little bit bigger on this one, but no biggie. But man, look at the fit on that. It fits that that bucket really well. Really snug even before the boats are in. Alright, so let's I'm going to go ahead and install this, but for now, let's try one of the Edge Tamers and take a look at what that looks like. Alright guys, let's take a look at this. So that's it set up. Basically what it's going to look like. And from the front here, like that. And I love that red, almost matches the Massey perfect. So let's set our bucket down now and see what it looks like. Alright guys, and you can see, sitting down, flat on the Edge Tamers. Once it sinks into that grass, it's got just a little space here, just a little over a finger thick. Exactly my thumb thickness. I got some fat thumbs. But when it sits down in that inch and a half grass, that means everything on the top of that grass should easily be raked up into that bucket. So I think it should work really nicely. It looks really good. I need to paint up my bucket. That Geo project really did a number on it. That the Edge Tamer tilts up with this notch, and this is still sticking out flat. So you actually got about that much that's going to be cutting before it ever even hits the Edge Tamer. So there's a good chance that I could actually shear trees and everything with these things on there. The only thing you couldn't do is dig. But boy, we want to talk about shearing small trees and that off with ease. Is not allowing that bucket to dig into the ground and shearing them really low to the ground like that, and just cutting them little trees right off and all that underbrush. Don, you might, I don't know if, I know you got a tooth bar on your big tractor, and I don't know if you have some Edge Tamers, and I don't know if yours is notched for the forks, but you was talking about clearing out all that area back there with your for a food plot. Man, I think this would do really nicely. The Piranha tooth bar is installed, the Edge Tamers are installed, and the extensions are installed. And if you look at that distance from my bucket to the end of that, man, that gives you a lot of loading range. And with the bucket curving like this, it's going to throw anything you pile in here, it's going to throw it into that corner right there, trying to hold it in place. So you can stack pretty high and it'll be almost self-holding. So that's what it looks like, all installed. I cannot get over how nice this tooth bar is. And I really can't wait to start digging in with that thing. Really. But the Edge Tamers seem to be really solid, even with the tooth bar. So, to BXpanded, thank you for working with me on the tooth bar, and to R2 Manufacturing, thank you for building such a quality product. All right, guys. So next, we'll be doing some work with this thing. This is John with Liquid Life Gardens, guys. Big thumbs up to BXpanded. Y'all guys are awesome. And a big thumbs up to R2 manufacturer. These Edge Tamers, it worked like I want, man. See, it worked. Even the little sticks in that. Freaking awesome. This is awesome. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it.